ready to cash out some of your crypto gains from Kraken and put that money in your bank account. This video walks you through the entire process, step by step, making sure it's smooth and secure. First, log into your Kraken account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for enhanced security. We're gonna head straight to the trade section. Find the crypto you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell Bitcoin, select BTC, USD or BTC. You are trading pair depending on the currency you want to receive. Now, place a sell order. You can choose between a market order for an immediate sale at the current price, or a limit order to sell at a specific price. Enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. Review the order details, including any fees, and confirm your sale once the order is executed. The equivalent fiat currency will be available in your Kraken account. Next, go to the funding section and select withdraw. Choose the fiat currency you want to withdraw, euro like USD or where. You'll need to have your bank account already linked and verified. If not, you'll be guided through the verification process, which usually involves submitting documents to confirm your identity and address. Select your bank account from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check all the details, including the withdrawal fees and the estimated arrival time. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your bank and location. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. You might need to enter your two-factor authentication code again. That's it. You've successfully sold your crypto and initiated a withdrawal from Kraken to your bank account. Remember to factor in potential delays and fees, and keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.